Well, first let me show the mistakes women commonly make is if they're negotiating with a man, they might negotiate in ways that they would want to impress someone. So a woman might start asking him about his challenges and his problems and help me understand your problem better. And what have you done for that before? And a man could be thinking, she should already know all this. Why is she asking me all these questions? If she has the answers for me, she must have already dealt with these problems. So why is she taking the time to ask more questions? Why am I not getting solutions? Another mistake women could make is to not know that men are very much impressed by what you've done in the past. And basically that means bragging, to talk about yourself. You know, I won this prize. I got this award. I have worked with so-and-so. I can get this done for the best price of anybody. You know, my past is I've done this and this and this. That's called bragging, which men are impressed by somebody bragging. But often women, they want to hear some of that, but you can't push yourself up too high because then they think, oh, you only care about yourself and you're not going to care about me. Because women think that way, they don't realize that men don't think that way. Men want to be with the best team. They want to be assured that they're going to win. They want positive messages about how you think you're confident and you can get this done. In a sense, with a man, you need to make sure to overcome the tendency that women have to be more humble and instead to build yourself up and know that he will appreciate that. But women don't always, some women understand this, but some women don't. And they think if I make myself humble, you'll trust me. When really men trust people who build themselves up and say, I can get the job done and look what I've done. And feel free to brag about what you've done in the past and what you can do and demonstrate great confidence that, yes, I can get that done. I know just what to do. I will get this for you. This is the best price you can get. And these kind of confident statements work well when you're dealing with a man.
Now, I've been doing this 40 years. I'm 64 years old. So this is my life work. I've watched the change. And when men come to me and they want a divorce, they all say basically one thing. When women come and they want a divorce, they all have a long list of problems. This. Very complicated. He doesn't talk. He doesn't listen. He doesn't kiss me. He doesn't compliment. He doesn't hold. He doesn't hug me. He never brings me roses. He always arguing. He's drinking too much. He's working too hard. He's not sleeping enough. He's sleeping too much. All kinds of things. And then, when I talk a little bit, they have one complaint. What is that complaint? He said, no matter what I do, she's never happy.
Premieră absolută. John Gray vine la tine acasă. Înregistrarea conferinței susținute de John Gray în București plus ore de conținut video cu subiecte importante sunt disponibile acum online pe www.life-university.ro.
Hi, I'm Dr. John Gray, the author of Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, a #1 bestseller in the whole world. It has done an amazing job helping men and women communicate better. It's in over 143 countries and over 50 languages and 50 million copies sold. One is that you will get all new content on understanding how men and women unknowingly sabotage their relationships at home and the workplace. This is the dynamic we're going to be looking at. We're going to look at how men and women manage stress effectively in different ways, and we have to know how to do it for ourselves. So we're not blaming our partners. We can take blame out of our lives, out of our relationships, and learn to be responsible. But also when we're not getting what we need from our partners, how to communicate that in a non-stressful way, but in a way that will elicit response. We get in a relationship in order to support each other. So you'll learn those skills.
When a woman marries a man, in the beginning, he comes home and she's home already. If he comes home, the first thing he does is he finds her. Oh, where are you? And she goes, oh, he left me. He wouldn't leave me. And then she begins testing a little. Does he still love me? So he comes home, she hides. She's like, I'm so excited. Is he gonna find me? But after 1, 2, 3 years, the newness goes away. And when the newness goes away, less dopamine, less testosterone. So instead, men play another game on Mars. When they come home, they look, and the man goes and hides. He doesn't want any found. He's just like, okay, don't find me. It just makes no sense to women. Now it's more.
I had such a great time when I was in Bucharest. It was a great day, a terrific event. We all need more love in our lives, and sometimes just making a few changes can make a huge difference.
Disponibil acum pe life-university.ro.